Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take a taillight out of most cars. This one here happens to be a Nissan. What is it, an Altima I think? Let's see now. Yep, Altima. Anyway, first thing you got to do is get at the back side of the taillight. Everything's going to be different. Every car is different. On Subarus, all you got to do is take a couple of screws out here. On this one, unfortunately, I had to take this panel off, which is right there. Wasn't too bad. I had to take this interior out to pull it away so I could get out some screws. So once you get the screws out, actually I just had two screws right here, 8mm, and if you see a little plastic stud there, and there's another stud right there, and another one right there. And you're going, how am I going to get this taillight out? And don't, if you pry on it, you'll break it. So it's held in by two screws, two 8mm here. And this is my trick to get the taillight out. This is something that took me a while to even figure out. But if you put a screwdriver here, try to pry, you're going to scratch your paint. You're probably going to break the lens. You could do it here, you're going to break the lens. So anyway, there's like those little items they pop in. The taillight pops into those little guys. So I get myself some duct tape. Gorilla, the best you can buy. Don't get the cheap stuff. Now I tape the duct tape right to the taillight, as you can see. Kind of hold it and just give it a yank, and she pops right out. And you don't want to scratch the paint or anything, so I'm just going to set it down gently. And here are those little, that's a stud looking thing where this slides in. This piece here slides in to that, and then there's those little stud guys, and here they are right here. I don't know if you can see them. Yep. So yeah, the taillight pushes into there, and there is no way to get that out unless you pry with a screwdriver or use something. And I figured out duct tape is the best. So I'm going to let that sit there for a sec. So that's what I came up with, and hopefully you learned something on this deal. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell, and we'll see you on the next video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.